Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya ba Prestun Tunsong haka khatlai trik mentau benai kala lengkot ulong ba omla ban khmi lenti bada kejing syong jingelang tang lain sausian onla ban penbet no yuput usam hapadang Kejala Meghalaya bat asam henrei don kam banyatai sani banla ban penurlong ya kene kakam Uba Prestun Tunsong ulong ba golong ba klasibun ban ong ba kadan kejing penslem ban penbet yuput usam Bad on omla ban kemi lenti ban penbet no yuput usam da kebasyong jingelang tangsau ne sansin. Kamtam habagani kejing kadai kebala sateng labun snam. Bad kalong kabakong san bhai ki menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya bat asam banyatai sani halor kene gamat. Ulong bagadi kasien ka baningkong babaro arngut ki menteri Rangba kin shim khya bha halor kene gamat. Ya ka ba 4 GE baki wei ki menteri Rangba kin shim khya bha Bat kini baro orngut ki menteri Rangba kila penut por ban syong jingelang banyatai bat banelit jurip lang ya kijaka ki badan hagathan kaput. Halor gejing keli ke ba sorkar kan le la raja bagi pat ba kem pediang yi gejing penbet uput usam. Uba Preston Tunsong ulong ba kamlong ke babiang ban sumut dur lupa la ki pat ba ken menjur nekin persya hendrai ke sorkar jela ke kemi lenti bandan gejing penbet ke batikna uput usam bat ki ken long ki babiang hapadang kini ki arteli ki sorkar.
Again they had a very closed, detailed discussion, and ultimately the decision was taken that both the state government, once again they will prepare and submit a detailed, comprehensive report, both the state government to the Honorable Chief Ministers of both the state, at least maximum 3 days time. That task has been given to both the state government. Then once the report is ready, once the report is submitted to the respective Chief Ministers, again both the Honorable Chief Minister will sit down for final agreement. That was the decision taken yesterday by both the Honorable Chief Ministers. Yes, right now we are waiting for the detailed report to be submitted by both the state government to both the Honorable Chief Minister. Thereafter, immediately, sitting will take place between both of them, and thereafter, again, they will fly over to Delhi for briefing, for discussing with the Honorable Home Minister, and thereafter they will come back and declare or brief or press conference will be organized by both the Honorable Chief Ministers. Anything but the spirit of the terms of reference is fixed, where be it the regional committees or be it both the chief ministers, they will take a final call on that. See, now this meeting, if you counted, I think not less than 4-5 meetings was held. Are you trying to say that only 4-5 meetings is enough? This problem is a very long pending issue, which takes a lot of time, lot of deliberation, lot of discussion among both the chief ministers. So I just wanted to tell you that first time ever I've seen both the Honorable Chief Minister, they take pain so much, they take so much initiative on this issue of interstate boundary, where I never seen other chief ministers did that. I think this is the only occasion where both the chief ministers, they really spared their time, keep meeting, keep discussing, and even conducted joint inspection in those areas.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya ulong ba sorkar MDA kebalayalam da keseng NPP. Kala shim khya ba halor kejing dawa ban menteri kamno ek line permit ak jela bat man bagi yo ekalat bane kendo yo menteri korbari sorkar pedeng u Amit Shah. Kiju pen ken mau kiju ekren bat penbor ban menteri kamno ek line permit ha ke jela Meghalaya. Ha kawai pat kaliang uba Preston Tunsong uba kmi ekatanat boarding ulapen pau bo umdan jingtep halor kejing pan por jangka kenhun toket kabla clear u justice bala syong thaj ka Allahabad High Court URN Mishra kabatoket halor kajing keno bakadon kajing pendon kampakla bat kajing bamsap HKM EECL. Ula pensyai de gebong beladaran kanu kajing kerpat ban pan por syuk kajing toket ya kajing kerpat on pak syuk menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma bat cakatenat political. Haga bakan sa mekarai kebakat do halor kene kekam. Uba Preston Tunsong ulu ong syuk bakene kekenhuan kan om pak kajing kerpat cakatenat boarding namar kene kekenhuan toket kabalat luit.
I have nothing to say on that. No need to spend time in debating. People are wiser than anybody else. Let people of the state judge. Because see, being a politician, blaming game is always there. Even if AITC rule the state, be it in West Bengal or be it anywhere, I'm very sure, being a politician, I will ask the question. I will say that no, this government has not done anything. It must be there always. So therefore, for me, very simple statement I would like to say here is, let the people of Meghalaya judge and see whether the statement made by the president of AITC is correct or not.